Let's open these up and then focus in on some of the details you're probably interested about if you're anything like me. All right, so first of all, these are some big glasses, like 28 ounces. Our traditional reds, which I'll show you here in a second, are 17 ounces, and those are really nice, perfect for a red, but this is for your big, bold reds, like your Mourvedre, your Cab Sauv, your Malbec, just the biggest bolds you got. This is the glass. And the reason why is because the bowl is so large, it allows more oxygen to touch the wine, which will allow the flavors to collect in the bowl so you can smell it. Also, it'll reduce and soften the tannins. And it's a taller glass, so it'll push the wine further back on your tongue so you can properly enjoy it. Is that going to make a huge, huge, huge difference? No, but it's all those little sophistications that make a real difference, especially if you're just past being a casual wine drinker. All right, here I have 3 wine glasses set up. Obviously, the very far right one's the 28 ounces. That's the 17-ounce red that we have. Love that glass. Actually, the same company makes that one, so if you're looking at that. But that's the difference. And then this is just a standard Riedel white wine glass. I don't remember the ounces on that, but it's considerably smaller. So again, your white wine, you want less oxygen hitting it because those flavors will just disappear in a big bowl like the one on the right or even the middle one. Okay, a couple other things. You can see the size right there. Things that are important to me, it is lightweight. Now, some people will complain, oh, it's too thin. No, that's the point. I mean, you don't want one of those big, heavy glasses that you would get like at a cheap Italian restaurant. You don't want that. It's the refinement on your lips, on your tongue. It's just, you lose all that. Heavy glass, just not even fun to enjoy out of. So all of these are thin. But if you happen to be someone that doesn't like a thin glass, well, then don't get this one. But that's thin on purpose. That's hand blown. That's like more of that crystal, I think it is glass, but it's just crystal feel to it. It's just a refinement. You either know you like that or you don't yet. But I think that's where you're headed. All your nice restaurants will have thinner stemware. Packaging was great, by the way. If you looked at the very beginning, the box was a little beat up, which is no fault of the manufacturer. It's just processing of packages. And so it was a little beat up, but the inside is very well packed. And I would even go as far as to say it would be hard for these to come broken, delivered, but not impossible. Not impossible. One last thing, they roll really nice. I know some people like to see the color next to like a white tablecloth, so they roll nice. And just a great build. I like these. I bought these. No one sent them to me. I like them. I think I'd highly recommend them. They're 28 ounces. They're big.